Hi! School holiday ngayon dito sa Australia, kaya samahan niyo ang anak ko. Churros Kids Workshop ng Sanchuro. Handa na ba kayong gumawa, mag-decorate, at syempre kumain ng sariling churros? Habang naghihintay ang anak ko ay patingin-tingin naman ko ng menu.
I'm gonna make a cookie. I'm going to make an Oreo.
Uy, the lid.
Try. Muscle.
Push the mummy in, it'll get bigger.
Ooh.
Hang on, the lid came off.
Rip it off.
Push the mummy in, it'll get bigger.
Yan at natapos din. Grabe mga beshi, perteng gahiya sa churros maker, nag-arm workout ang
Push
anak
the
ko.
mummy in, it'll get bigger.
Pero worth it lahat dahil ang churros perfecto. At syempre, may pa-milkshake pa kasama ang workshop.
Maybe I'll just use straw. Okay, let's sip it.
Delicious.